Did you know the rockets that took America to the moon were built by Nazi war criminals? After World War II ended, the US government launched a secret mission called Project Paperclip. They smuggled over 1,600 Nazi scientists into America. They gave them new names, new lives, and erased their crimes. Werner von Braun used 20,000 slave workers to build rockets that killed innocent people. The US made him head of NASA's moon program. Arthur Rudolph ran an underground factory where 20,000 prisoners died building weapons. He became the father of the Saturn V rocket. Kurt Blohm tortured people in concentration camps with deadly experiments. The US Army hired him anyway. These men lived comfortable American lives while their victims' families never got justice. The government covered up their past, gave them medals, called them heroes. The same hands that built Hitler's weapons of terror designed the rockets that reached the moon. America's greatest achievement was built on the darkest secrets of World War II.